Good morning all. Today I, Tanisha and my friend Ritu are here to perform an experiment. The aim of the experiment is to determine the total hardness of given water sample. Hardness in water is due to ions of calcium and magnesium.
The requirements for the experiment are beaker, titrating flask, measuring cylinder, funnel, burette, and the reagent used in this experiment are 2 gram EDTA, 0.04 gram erichrome black tea, 0.1 gram calcium carbonate, 0.45 gram hydroxylamine hydrochloride, and 1.69 gram ammonium chloride, 10 ml ethyl alcohol, and 14.3 ml ammonia. Now let's prepare the indicator. For indicator preparation, we need 0.4 gram erichrome black tea, and 0.45 gram hydroxylamine hydrochloride. We will dissolve this in 10 ml ethyl alcohol.
And here is our indicator ready.
Now let's prepare the EDTA solution. So we will take 2 gram of EDTA and 0.1 gram calcium carbonate, and we will prepare the solution in 400 ml water. First we will dissolve it slowly. We will wash it properly so that whole content goes in the solution. Now we will add 400 ml water. We'll shake it. So this is the required EDTA solution. Now we will prepare ammonia buffer. For preparation of ammonia buffer, we will take 1.69 gram ammonium chloride and 14.3 ml ammonia. So this is our ammonia buffer solution.
Now we will prepare hard water. Firstly we will take 1 pinch of CaCO3 and then we will dissolve it in 100 ml of water. Now these are our prepared solutions: indicator, EDTA, ammonium buffer and hard water. With EDTA solution. Now we will prepare our titrant. Firstly, we will add 25 ml water. Then we will take 25 ml hard water. Then we will add 1 ml of ammonia buffer. And now we will add few drop of indicator. And here is our titrant ready. Now we will start our titration. We have to add drop by drop EDTA in our titrant. We have to do our titration with continuous stirring. And now here our solution is titrated, hence the color is changed from red wine to blue.
So this is the end point we get. Here final reading we get is 4.5 ml. So volume used is 4.5 ml. Similarly, we will take the another two titrations reading. So here the concordant volume is 4.3 ml. Calculation. So here volume of EDTA used is 4.3 ml. We will calculate the molarity of EDTA, which is weight by molar mass, volume in ml into 1000. So here volume we took of EDTA 400 into 1000. So molarity of EDTA here calculated is 0.17 molar. (25 ml). So total hardness is volume of EDTA into molarity of EDTA into 10 की power 6 as we are taking in ppm by volume of sample in ml. So volume of EDTA used is 4.3, molarity is 0.017 into 10 की power 6 and the volume of sample is 25. So total hardness here calculated is 2924 ppm. So hence the total hardness of the water sample here is 2924 ppm parts per million. Thank you.